Hey everyone, today I've got an important message for all the manufacturing companies out there in West Houston. Cyber criminals are getting more sophisticated, and ransomware attacks are on the rise. They're not just targeting big corporations anymore, they're coming for you too. Impress IT Solutions, a top cybersecurity provider, has been working around the clock to protect businesses from these escalating threats. So, what's the deal with ransomware? Well, attackers break into your network, encrypt your data, and demand a ransom for its release. If you don't pay up, your operations could come to a grinding halt. Phishing emails, unsecured remote access points, and unpatched vulnerabilities are just a few ways these criminals can infiltrate your systems. Imagine the chaos if your production lines stopped, shipments were delayed, and you faced huge financial losses. Not a pretty picture, right? A senior analyst from Impress IT Solutions put it bluntly. Manufacturers are particularly vulnerable due to their reliance on automated systems and interconnected networks. Without strong cybersecurity measures, an attack could paralyze your entire facility. So, how can Impress IT Solutions help? They offer network security audits to find vulnerabilities, endpoint protection to detect threats, and backup and disaster recovery to quickly restore data. They also provide employee training to prevent phishing and implement zero-trust security models to limit access to sensitive systems. West Houston manufacturers, it's crucial to take proactive steps to secure your systems. Impress IT Solutions is dedicated to providing cutting-edge security solutions to help you mitigate ransomware risks and keep your operations running smoothly. If you're looking to bolster your cybersecurity, reach out to Impress IT Solutions today. Protect your business from cyber threats and ensure operational continuity. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.